At this point, Sounds Incorporated became the new fashion, the new wave, the new thing to have and to dance to and to listen to. Did you guys ever go to the
Hmm.
studio and lay any tracks back then? And then after that, I want to also ask you and do a follow up on when was the first trip to the
Um,
United States as Sounds Incorporated.
yeah, the first recording that we did at my house where I was living, me and my brother Egbert Ehino, better known as Shaka.
Yes.
He started Sunrise in the early 80s. That was even he had a thing about the music and the culture, and him and a guy named Matthias in Belize City. They started this